What sets Smile 360 apart from other dental offices is our warm, caring atmosphere, not a typical dental office, with the sights and the smells. We have an in-house laboratory with our own milling capability, with 3D printing machines, with digital scanners, photography room, video room. So with our technology, what that allows us to do is, if we needed to take a step back, you're having that conversation with me. You're not having to go somewhere else, get another piece of information. We have everything right here at Smile 360 the way that you want it. All this technology under one roof really highlights the fact that I can keep my experience with you right here under one roof. As for my team and I, you're going to get a warm greeting from your first phone call all the way through to your patient appointment. I've called people on Saturdays and Sundays to check in on people. In terms of continuing education, it's important to me and my staff to stay current because all of this technology is changing so fast in the dental industry. With the ability to have my own lab team, we customize each and every smile. They're not cookie cutter forms. All my patients have input. We do prototypes so that you can try in the teeth, and then we'll have you back or give us a call and let us know, some changes that need to be made. Why? Because it's important that you have exactly what you want and that you're happy. It's all about experience with my team and I. What's critical to me in our office here at Smile 360 is getting your feedback to help you move to the next chapter of your life and not just treat you like another number or another person out the door. During your free consultation, I'm going to let you know all of your findings, and we're going to discuss all of your treatment options so that we can find together the best treatment plan that fits you